Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming both devices are ready. Charge phone and watch and keep them within a few feet. Open the Noise Fit app on your phone and confirm the watch is paired. This ensures file transfer. Once paired, give the app permission to access photos and storage so it can read images. Now locate the photo you want as the watch wallpaper on your phone. Make sure it's high contrast and square or crop ready for best results before moving to the next step. Now crop the image. Open the photo editor and set a square or 16:9 crop so the subject centers on the watch face. This avoids clipping. In Noise Fit, select watch faces, then choose Custom or Upload Image and pick the cropped photo. Adjust zoom and position using the preview tools. Small moves change readability. When satisfied, tap Upload or Set. Monitor the app's progress indicator and do not close Bluetooth. Finish by checking the watch face. Press the crown or wake the screen to confirm the new wallpaper displays correctly. If it doesn't appear, reopen Noise Fit and resync. Sometimes a restart of the watch clears caching and forces the new asset to load. If the transfer stalled, ensure app storage permissions are enabled and that Bluetooth remained connected during upload. As a troubleshooting tip, delete older custom faces in the app to free space and try the upload again. That often resolves persistent transfer failures.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.